Hi dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about tan inverse of tan 3. In the last class we were discussed about tan inverse of 1 and tan inverse of tan 2. So here already you know the 1 radian, 2 radian the value, and same value you have to take for 3 radian. That 3 radian is nearly equal to 171 degree and it is less than 180 degree. Therefore that 3 radian you can write it as pi minus theta, then theta equal to 5 minus 3. You have to remember this one, clear? And now you can write that tan inverse of tan 3 radian, that 3 radian you have to write that 5 minus theta, then tan inverse of tan of pi minus theta. So you have to find tan 5 minus theta. That is very important. It means the pi is here, minus theta is here. It is a second quadrant. In the second quadrant it is a negative, and phi 2 pi is there, no change. It becomes what? A tan become a tan. If it is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is there, then it is a change, therefore you have to, it becomes a cot. But here it is a pi, then tan pi minus theta value is minus tan theta, and you can write it as a tan inverse of minus tan theta. Now you have to solve that. Tan inverse of minus theta is equal to minus tan inverse theta. Then tan inverse of this step, tan inverse of minus tan theta is become minus tan inverse of tan theta. Then the value is become theta. These are cancelled. Now what is the value of theta? That is pi minus 3. Pi minus 3. Then you can write it as a 3 minus pi. Hence you can say that tan inverse of tan 3 is equal to 3 minus pi. Clear? Okay. In the next class we'll discuss about 4 and 5. Tan inverse of tan. Thank you. Bye.